Hi, I'm Guy. Let me introduce you to a new Chrome extension. It won't take long, but I need your attention. This will make you thank me later. I'm the product manager of this new feature that will help you navigate everything better. Since I come from a strong tech background, I need to make sure a good techie solution is found. This time, it will be more efficient and more clever. This time, it will change your life forever.
Let's start off by downloading the extension. You can search for HoneyBook Extend on Google or go directly to the Chrome Web Store like I've done here. As you can see, I've already downloaded the extension, and once you downloaded it, you will see this HoneyBook icon in the extensions bar. The extension only works when you're in the Gmail tab, so nothing will actually happen when you click on it in any other tab. So switching to the Gmail tab, now you will see the extension icon inside Gmail as well. When clicking on the icon, the extension beautiful sidebar pops out. Now let's log in with our HoneyBook account. Cool. Once we're logged in, the extension is now waiting for us to jump into an email thread. Let's take this one for example. This is a new lead I just received from a potential client. Instead of going back and forth between Gmail and my HoneyBook tab to create a new project, I will use the extension to organize my leads much better and create a new project from here. I'm just clicking this create a new project button and filling out the relevant information, clicking save, and a new project is instantly created on HoneyBook. Let's check another unread email I have here. This time it's from a client I'm already working with. You can see that because the extension instantly shows me any mutual projects I have with this specific client. I can jump into the existing project, see all relevant details for this project, check out the files as well, and get more details by clicking one of the shortcuts that will take me to the specific place I've looked at inside HoneyBook. There are more cool things you can do with this extension, and that's just a teaser that will make you want to start working with it.
This is it. I hope you try it. So let us know if you need help. Please don't be quiet.